Rahim. Dear students, how are you? Today we will learn question number 5 and first law of logarithm. So let us start. Question number 5. Evaluate log 1 by 128 base 2. Solution: log 1 by 128 base 2 is equal to log 1 by 128 can be write in this form 2 power 7. So by taking 2 power 7 above, the power of 2 will be minus 7. So this power will take in front of log, we get minus 7 log 2 base 2. As the number which we have to take logarithm are same with base, therefore this factor is equal to 1. So finally we get minus 7. In part 2, if we have to evaluate log 512 to the base 2 under root 2. So solution is log 512 base 2 under root 2 is equal to log 2 under root 2 2 power 9, which is equal to 512. Here total power of 2 is 3 by 2. So we have to take power of 2 3 by 2. Then for the cancellation we have to take power 2 by 3. So 3 cancel 3, 2 cancel with 2, and whole power 9. So 2 power 3 by 2 can be write in this form 2 under root 2, which is equal to its base. So total power 2 by 3 multiply 9, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. So 6 will be right in front of logarithm. So we get 6 log 2 under root 2 base 2. As these two numbers are same, so this factor is equal to 1. So finally we get the value of log 512 to the base 2 under root 2 is equal to 6. First law of logarithm: prove log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. So its proof is we have to take log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. It means in this law we have to prove when two values are multiplied to each other and we take its logarithm, so this logarithm will change this multiplication into addition. So we suppose log m base a is equal to x and log n base a is equal to y. Its exponential form is m is equal to a power x, and its exponential form is n is equal to a power y. From these two results 1 and 2, we get as m and n are multiplied, so we have to multiply m with n. So mn is equal to a power x multiply a power y. As base is same, therefore their power will be added. So finally we get mn is equal to a power x plus y. We can write it in logarithmic form. So we get log of mn to the base a is equal to x plus y. By putting the value of x and y, we finally prove that log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. This is the first law of logarithm. Students, I hope you will understand all these questions. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of Native. खुदा हाफिज.